New colours, new fun plays. Are you ready? Ready? Let's move! Subscribe, subscribe, come and sing with me. Tap the button now and join our family. Hello red, hello blue, hello yellow, hello you. Red can jump and red can play. Can you jump with me today? Blue is calm like sky so high. Wave your hands and float on. Yellow shines so warm and bright. Spin around with pure delight. Dance, colors sing. Learning colors is everything. Yay! Your color stars help us learn each day. Let's see which habits like to stay. Green, green, clean up time. Pick up toys, it feels so fine. Red says stop. Uh-oh, no, running inside. Too slow, slow. Yellow bright and full of cheer. Please and thank you, let's all hear. Blue says breathe, in and out. Calm your body, no more shout. Green clean, red stop. Yellow manners, blue calm pop. Whoa! Too many good habits, shine in every hue. Colors help me and help you. You're amazing!
Hello lovely parents and little friends. If you enjoy learning and singing with Miss Rose, please subscribe and join us for more happy lessons together. Hello, hello my lovely little friends. I'm so very happy to see you today. Peekaboo, peekaboo, where has Miss Rose gone? Can you see me? Peekaboo! Here I am. Well done, you found me. Peekaboo is such a lovely game and I really enjoy playing with you, don't you? Oh my, look at this. I can see a surprise box. I wonder what's inside. Ooh, do you see this box? It's being very cheeky today, but I think it's hiding a secret just for us. Shall we say the magic words together, nice and softly, to help the box open up for us? What's in the box? What could it be? Something fun for you and me. Let's say it together. Let's take it out together, very slowly. Ready, steady, go. Out it comes. Oh, wow, look at this lovely bubble floating up so gently. Isn't it magical? Can you help me catch the bubble? Let's pretend to grab it with our fingers. Up, 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 and whoosh. Oh my, the bubble is sticking to my head. And can you pretend yours is sticking too? Let's wiggle it, wiggle it. Oh look, now it's sticking to my elbows. Can you pretend yours is too? Let's wiggle and shake it gently. Oh my, now the bubble is on my tummy. Can you pretend yours is too? Wiggle it, jiggle it, and pull it, pull it. Oh look, it's sticking to my knees now. Can you pretend yours is too? Wiggle, wiggle, and pull it gently away. Oh my, now it's sticking to my ears. Can you pretend yours is too? Wiggle them gently and pull it away, pull it away. Oh look, it's sticking to my hands now. Can you pretend yours is too? Wiggle, wiggle and pull it away, pull it away. Oh my, it's on my tummy and my arms now. Can you pretend yours is too? Wiggle, wiggle, jiggle and pull it all away. Oh look, it's back on my ears. Let's wiggle them and pull it all away together. Oh my goodness, look who's here. It's a little bunny hopping out just for us. Can you make your bunny hop like this? Hop, 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 hop. Let's hop together. Oh look, our bunny is hungry. Can you help feed it the carrot? Here we go, yum yum. Oh, our bunny says thank you for the yummy carrot. Can you make your bunny say thank you too? Bunny? Oh dear, our bunny is getting sleepy now. And can you show me how to yawn like a sleepy bunny? Let's tuck our sleepy bunny in the little blanket, nice and snug. Sweet dreams, little bunny. Shh, let's be very quiet now. Our little bunny is sleeping peacefully. Night, night, children, for fright. Oh, I'm feeling sleepy too. Shall we take a little rest with our bunny? Time to wake up, little bunny, and all our friends. Let's stretch and get ready for a happy day. Look at our little bunnies hopping around. Can you hop along with them? Hop, 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 hop. Let's stretch up high like our bunnies. Reach up, and feel so tall and strong. Now let's hop and stop like clever little bunnies. Hop, hop, hop and stop. Well done. You are doing such a brilliant job hopping and stopping, and I am so proud of you. Oh my, after all that hopping and stretching, I think our bunnies might need a little rest again, don't you? Let's help our little bunny rest comfortably again, nice and calm, nice and cozy. Shall we say goodnight to our bunny together? Shh. Shh, our bunny is falling asleep now. Oh, Miss Rose is getting sleepy too.
Hello, my little friends. How are you today? Please subscribe our channel.
Welcome to our happy classroom. Are you enjoying to watch my videos? I like the way you smile. Come and sit with me. Like this. Winter is coming and it's all day in home mostly. That's why we will talk about in-the-house habits. Yeah? We will talk about, any guess? Yes. We will learn good habits and not so good habits. Are you ready? Let's begin. Look at this, my friends. This is not a good habit. Throwing toys is not a good habit. It makes our room messy. Let's see a good habit. Let's change it and see something better. See? This is a good habit. We put our toys away. Should not we put our toys away after playing? Put our toys away after playing.
Some habits are good for me. Some habits are good for me. Some places look so nice and bright. Clean and tidy, what a sight. Throwing toys, oh no, oh no. Good places make us feel so glad. That's a habit we should not show.
Uh-oh, this place looks kinda sad. Put toys back, nice and neat.
Messy places, no, no, no. Good habits make our playtime sweet. Clean it up and watch it glow. Good habits, yes we do. Bad habits, we say no, no, no. Good places shine both day and night. Let's choose good habits every day. Good places, yes we choose.
That was lovely, lovely singing.